Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's me back again. It's video number 2. So if you did see the first one, I hope you guys enjoyed it. On this little oh man. I was just saying I'm on a path of shoe restoring. So I got my second pair that I'm gonna restore. These are actually my pair that I've had. Probably like, a long time, honestly, a while. But yeah, we got the Airforce 1. As you can see, it's super beat up. The bottom sole is completely yellow, bunch of marks, some scuff marks. Yeah, it's been a while. Oh man, as you can even see right here, we got paint on it. I didn't even notice that. That's not good, actually. But I'll figure it out. And then we got the other one. Beat up as well. Got a bunch of scuff marks right here, so we'll work on that. And yeah, so we'll see how it goes. But yeah, thank you for joining in and stay tuned. Guys, welcome back. So as you saw, I spent the morning just cleaning the shoes, getting them right. We put the like unyellowing cream. So I've had the shoes in there since I think about like 2 o'clock, and right now it's about 10, so that's about 8 hours. So it should be good to go. Should definitely be good to go, because yeah, that'd be crazy if it's not. But yeah, let's check it out. Looking good, looking good. Sheesh. Crispy. All right, guys, welcome back. I don't even know why I'm saying that, because I'm actually the one that left. But in reality, since this is all coming in one video, it actually wouldn't even be known that I take a while. This is my second video. I've actually been having quite a bit of trouble getting masking tape. So like, I travel back and forth every single day to another. See, I don't want you guys to know where I live, but I'm sure you guys can find out. All right, whatever. But yeah, so there's masking tape over there, and every time I go and like try to get it to bring it back home, I've literally forgotten every single time. And yeah, last night, so yeah, I think it's actually been almost a week I've been trying to get it masking tape. It's crazy. Because then I think I have some at home. I looked at all this other stuff, and it's never there. But yeah, so I finally got it, and now I'm going to try to paint the scuff. So let's get it done. It's going to be my first time doing it. I actually bought this on Amazon, so let's go through that real quick. I've actually never even used an airbrush before, so it's an automatic one, so it's pretty cool. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so welcome back. And I don't know what I'm welcoming back from. I'm not sure, because this is all the same video. I've actually been trying this for about a week, and we finished. We finally finished. Check them out. Check them out, check them out. Comparing them to what they were originally. Come on. Nah, but honestly, I think they came out good. I think they came out good. I'm gonna rock them. They honestly look pretty good to me. This is the one that had the huge scuff mark on it. I know it's not perfect. I know. But guess what? I'm not a professional yet. This is only my second shoe. So, progress-wise, I think we're doing good. Yes, I'm picking a white one. But we do have something coming in this weekend. Some Jordan 11 Gammas. I ordered them on eBay, and we'll see how it goes. They look a little, they're all right. We'll check them out. So thank you guys once again. Like and subscribe. We are back. And I know I never left, but we're back.